Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, children. Today we are going to revise the chapter pronoun. Okay. Now, as you know, that pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. When you want to write something about a particular noun, repeatedly you don't repeat the nouns. Like if you want to write about Rahim. Okay. So Rahim is a good boy, then Rahim reads in class 2. If you go on repeating the words Rahim, Rahim, then there is something you feel like the same repetition of the words. Okay. So you have to use, generally we use the pronouns, some words in place of the noun. Those words which are used in place of noun are called pronouns. Okay. Now these pronouns, you can divide them into particular types like personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun or interrogative pronoun. Okay. Now you have to identify which pronoun is in which group or which kind. Okay. So let's begin with personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are those pronouns, all these pronouns like I, we, he, she, they, it, all these words which are used in place of nouns, they are pronouns and they are also personal pronouns. Now, these personal pronouns can be divided into three categories. First one is the first person, then you have the second person, and lastly you have the third person. Now, first person are those pronouns which the person who is speaking, that is the first person. Okay, like I am speaking, so I, we, us, all these are first person. Okay, now second person are those pronouns about you are to whom you are speaking. First person is the person who is speaking. Second person is to whom you are speaking. So generally you is the second person. Now children, you know that you is for singular and plural both. Okay, we use you for singular and plural both. So for singular also you, second person, and for plural also you have second person you. Okay, and for first person you have I, me. These are as your singular, and for you have us or we, you have for plural. Okay. Now the third person. What is third person? That pronouns which goes for about whom you are speaking. First person is the person who is speaking. Second person is to whom you are speaking, and third person is about whom you are speaking. You are speaking about him, you are speaking about her or he, she, it, they can be. Okay, about them. These are all third person pronoun. Okay. Now, second you have the demonstrative pronoun. What are demonstrative pronoun? You know children that this, these, that, those, these words are used to demonstrate or to tell about something. So these are all demonstrative pronouns. That is this, that, those, these. All these are demonstrative pronoun. Now, how you will identify that whether they are demonstrative pronoun? Now, as I told you children that in your chapter adjective, you have also learned that it is demonstrative adjective. And here you are learning demonstrative pronoun. And in both the chapters you are seeing that the demonstrative words are this, that, these and those. So how you will identify the difference between them? That we have to see. Okay. So the demonstrative words, if they are followed by any verb or helping verb, then that demonstrative word is your demonstrative pronoun. Like if I say, he is a good boy. He is a good, these are good boys. These are good boys. So here you see the demonstrative word is these. And after it is followed by a helping verb are. So these are. Okay. So when a demonstrative word is followed by a verb, a helping verb, then that demonstrative word is called the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Now, so you see that that is my pen. These are my friends. Okay. So in every sentence you see that the demonstrative words are followed by a helping word. So they are demonstrative pronouns. Okay. Now for your you have next you see interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are also same. Like see, interrogative words are which, what, where, all these are interrogative words. Now after these words, if these words are followed by a verb or a helping verb, then that interrogative word becomes the interrogative pronoun. Like you see, which is your pen? So which is followed by a helping verb is. So which will be demonstrative pronoun. Okay. And you have, which will be interrogative pronoun. Okay. Because which is an interrogative word and it is followed by a helping verb is. So it will be, which will be interrogative pronoun. Okay. Now, next you see you have reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, the words which say about themselves, like himself, okay, herself, itself, all these are singular. That's why you are writing himself, S-E-L-F, okay, singular. But when it is plural, then you say it is themselves, okay, ourselves, S-E-L-V-E-S, that is plural. So the words ending with the pronouns to which we add self or selves, they are reflexive pronouns. Like I did the work myself. Okay, they did the work themselves. So you see, we are only changing from self to selves because it is changing from singular to plural. So these words are called reflexive pronoun. Okay. So now you can go through all the types of pronouns. The sentences will be given to you and you have to identify which type of pronoun it is. Okay. Thank you.